This week we've got a feature product that would be great to have in a vehicle or garage for a lot of small jobs. Introducing the multi-use siphon pump from the great Canadian company Dynaline. So you're familiar with siphoning, using a hose and suction to draw fluid from one place to another. Typically, you'll hear this in reference to fuel or oil. Now, we don't recommend siphoning by mouth, obviously. Instead, you should have one of these bad boys at the ready. Simply attach the red hoses to both ports, stick the top one into whatever you want siphon fluid from, and the bottom one into where you want the fluid to go, and pump away. This gives you greater control over the flow of fluid without the obvious risk of mouth siphoning. And it doesn't require any power like an electric siphon pump. But also included in these kits is a few other adapters to help you with some other tasks. Did you overfill your oil reservoir? You can add this small tube at the end to remove the excess oil from the dipstick tube. Need a little bit more air in the wheelbarrow tire? Not a problem. There's a clip-on tire inflator included as well. Or need to pump up a floaty for a day at the beach? Just attach a small air nozzle and you're good to go. Liquid or air, this little pump can suck it up. For the low price of one of these pumps, it's worth to have around just in case you ever need it. So make sure you're always prepared with this week's feature product, the multi-use siphon pump from Dynaline. Have you ever been stuck and need one of these pumps? Let us know in the comments below. Have a great Canadian day!